So customer demand has changed a lot over the years. A lot of our older customers back in 2009, 2010, the idea was put solar on the roof, let's minimize what the bill is going to look like and let's make some money and let's have a cost negative bill and being credited all the time. Now there's a movement that sort of shifted a lot where their savings is an aspect of a decision, but it's not the only aspect of the decision. A lot of it has come from an environmental push and what is my impact that I'm making currently? What is my impact looking forward? Looking forward 10, 15, 25 years. So the quality needs to match those expectations on an environmental view, as well as obviously still meeting those demands with reducing their quarterly bills, having a look at what their increases in demands are going to be, what their changes in demand is going to be as families grow, as people retire and things, looking more and more into the future rather than just this is what I need right now and that's it. A large emphasis on a personal side of running this business is I didn't get into solar just because it's going to save me money, it's going to make me money, it's going to save money for everybody. A large part of why we got into solar, and originally from my father, is the environmental aspect of it. I think it's extremely important that if we can do a little bit and everybody can do a little bit, then overall it's about that bigger picture. It's about the future. It's about the future generation. So for us, there's an obvious win on an environmental case. There's an obvious win on a return on investment case. There's an obvious win on reducing your bills on a quarterly basis. So it's a win-win situation. There is no negative view on why you shouldn't get solar, on why you should get solar for your home, or why you should get solar for your business, decreasing your ongoing costs within your business structure. The roof is there. It might as well be repurposed for other than just providing a roof over our head, which has been historically what we've always wanted to have. It can do other things, and that other things right now is creating free energy for you. So why not use the power of the sun? It's there, use it.